Yung sa akin po, tinanong lang to sa akin parang 2 weeks ago. Ngayon ko lang naalala. Sabi po kasi roon, there are mentions of the Holy Spirit in the Old Testament. Tama ba? I-correct mo ako Kuya Menard, baka magkamali. So, meron pong mentions ng Holy Spirit in the Old Testament and in the New Testament. But according to the question that I've received, was it the different spirit from the Old Testament that mentions of the Holy Spirit and the Holy Spirit that was mentioned on John chapter 14 verse 26? Kasi di ba ron sabi po doon, but the Comforter, the Holy Spirit whom the Father will send in my name. So parang yun yung na-retain na question sa akin. Was it the different Holy Spirit and does they have the same function?
Okay, you're asking about the Spirit in the Old Testament. It's a blanket. We are not dealing here with specific. Kasi doon si Daniel, meron din siyang Spirit of Daniel. Probably it's referring to his mind. Ruach. From the Hebrew, differently, depending upon the context. So it depends. But when you are pointing to a passage in the Old Testament that is clear as referring to the third person in the Godhead, then it is the same. Okay? 1 verse 2. Yeah, if our understanding there is referring to the third person in the Godhead, then it's the same. Kasi isa. Diba? The same Holy Spirit. Walang dalawang Holy Spirit. Walang Spirit sa Old Testament. Wala rin, iba rin yung nasa New Testament. There's only one. Remember, there are 3. They are not 4. Okay? 3. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. There's not Old Testament Spirit and New Testament Spirit. So parehas lang. Again, if that particular passage in the Old Testament is yes to the third person of the Godhead, unless the context refers to the emotion of the person or thought of the person.